channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I am filming this on a Monday, so I hope you had a great weekend. We went out on the boat because it's like, 90 degrees out here, and I did manage to get some sunburn, so I took yesterday to recover. So I am back to my marathon day of filming, but I did get some good boxes over last week, and one of them is the Brave is Beautiful. This was offered by both HSN and QVC. You can go to their website and they had choices of items you can buy. Obviously, the longer you waited, the less of the good choices were there. And I ordered mine off of QVC, so you got this great bag for free when you ordered one of their choices. And this is my choice. So if you are new to my channel, sorry, I'm itching. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And please, if you like this video and its content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. And if you just subscribed, thank you. I hope you enjoy all the videos. And don't forget, I have a giveaway, and I will link it below and above. So you need to check that out. I think I got sunburn on my eyes, on my eyelashes. It's just everywhere. So getting back to what's in my goodies. Again, I went on QVC. Now, I've seen other YouTubers, because I'm a big cheater, I've seen other YouTubers unbox both the HSN and the QVC, and some of the items were the same, some were different. But I got the Mally collection, and it came with the Glow Gel, and it's an eye and cheek palette. And of course, I took the scissors out and made sure I pre-opened everything and didn't realize I needed to do it. This was taped, and I'm going to destroy this box. And if you're new to my channel, I'm a big destroyer of boxes. Nothing is safe from me. And the palette, it looked beautiful on QVC. The nice thing about QVC and HSN is they do like a gazillion easy pays. And if you don't like something, you can return it, which is really nice. And I used to do QVC long before like these great beauty boxes came out, because that was really the best way to buy makeup and purses and clothing. So this is what the palette looks like. Glow Get 'em Girl is the name of the palette. Oh, this is, I remember now. It's beautiful. So it's got the blushes and the eye, probably getting a little glare. Because it gets so hot out in Arizona, people don't open their blinds. They actually have, people put like these tinfoil things over their windows, like you see the screens in cars, and they put those over their windows. So I brought my lighting out here. So it might be a little harder to see, because this looks like it's a dark brown color, maybe more of a contour. And I think there were 3 items with the Mally. And there's espresso, and I think this is an eyeliner, waterproof liner, and it's in espresso. Let's see. Don't know if espresso is chocolate or black. I would think it would be more of a chocolate. It looks like it's more of a chocolate, which is really nice because all we do is get black eyeliners in our subscription boxes. So it is nice to get that color. And as I'm dropping things all over the floor, it looks like we got a lipstick. And of course it's so small I can't read the color. Ooh. And again, that looks like a brown. I have lipstick on, otherwise I would try it, but that's a really pretty color. I wish I could read it. Oh, it's called Darling. So it's kind of a light chocolate color, but the packaging, and I want to say the set, or for the three, the liner, the lipstick, the blush, and the eye color was like $29.99. So I didn't think that was bad. Again, you had choices to pick from, and that's what I decided to pick. And then it came with this free bag. And this was a promotional thing. But one like it only has one strap. So you obviously get the bag, which is really nice. And inside the bag is smushed. It's the It Bye Bye Under Eye. And it was opened on both sides, but it's still in there. And I use the It Bye Bye foundation. And so far, that's the best foundation I have found. And so this is the size. And something in this bag smells really good. And then we've got a sample. These look like eye patches. Bright Eyes, but it's hard to read who it's by. And Tula, looks like facial skin reviving treatment pads. So it must be my lighting because everything is just so light. Ooh. Bare Minerals facial. Can always use those. This bag is just filled to the brim. And then we have this huge Pure Greek Olive Body Cream Peach Blossom. And obviously it's a body cream, and I can definitely use this now. And then our Purity, I know it's by Philosophy, and it's a facial cleanser. And I love Philosophy. I'm not sure what smells in this bag, but it smells so good. And then we have the SK2 Radical, must be a facial type of product. I don't want to take this all out of here because I probably won't keep them. I'll probably put them in giveaways or just pass them out. Oh, I bet you it's this. It's the Fall Ginger Pumpkin Cleansing Conditioner by Wen. I bet you that's what's smelling so good. And that was a huge bottle. And then we have Skin Fix Aha Renewal Cream. And Josie Marin Pure Argan Oil. And her products not only are great, but they're a little bit on the pricey side, so that's nice to get. And then we have Laura Geller Nude Kisses Lip Hugging Lipstick. Now that is a really pretty neutral color. And as I said, this was a Josie Marin. There's some more. Oh, what is this? Aqui Prime Restorative Leave-In Conditioner. And again, It's a sample size, but what a nice size bottle. And Kate Somerville, Wrinkle Warrior. She's got some really nice products. Okay, list out. And I'm not sure if this promotion is still going on. You can check QVC or HSN and see. Ooh, Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. I bet you that's good. Elemis is a great brand. And a couple little samples of Mamonde Floral Moisture Cream in Hibiscus. And the last product is, what is it? Oh, it is Mal. I had it upside down. Shadow Stick Extra. Have any of you tried shadow sticks? At first I thought, what am I going to do with it? But I did try one, and they go on really nice. I use them for like in the middle because they go on so nice and they don't spread all over. So that was like everything in here. I don't know how many products that they put in here, but just these wipes, facial wipes are great. And this one, and that pumpkin, I know that's what's smelling the bag. So let me know what you thought of this. There was a YouTuber, I think it was Arkansas Gals. She always finds the best boxes, and I think she unboxed it or unbagged it. And I'm like, oh, I have to go check that out. So again, you can check and see if they're offering it, but I thought it was just a great little thing. I probably won't use all these samples. I'll probably stick them in the current giveaway that I have going on. So again, leave comments, let me know what you thought of this. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.